Hi guys, my name is Mary.
And I'm Tony.
And today me and Tony, we are brothers and sisters. We will be showing you guys how to do a makeup tutorial on your first date. Anyway, on your first date, it's really important that you look really good because first impressions is always key. So, on your first day, my advice to you is to bring out your eyes. Your eyes are the most important when you date somebody because I'm pretty sure your date will be looking in your eyes. So to bring out your eyes, you want to do a nice coat of blue eyeshadow. Right, Tony?
Yeah, that's right.
You like girls with blue eyeshadows, right?
I love girls.
Okay, my brother loves girls. Anyways, it proves that he's not gay. Anyways, so nice blue eyeshadow like this would be really good. You don't want to put too much eyeshadow because if you use up a lot, you might be overdoing your look and
You might look slutty.
Yeah, what he said. Anyways, your eyeshadow, it's really nice. Anyways, I like to fix my eyebrows because you know your eyebrows they emphasize your emotions when like when you speak, when you're happy, sad, or whatever. So I like to go with the light color of my eyebrows. Gold. There you go. Looks really, really nice on me.
Oh, excuse me.
Tony, I know your matter. Anyways, next you want to do a really nice color on your. You want to blush, so put on a little bit of blush. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much like always. You want to look natural so that you can still look like yourself, not like a whole completely different you. Because I think that guys, they prefer a girl with a little less makeup, right?
Yes, like me.
So totally tell me what kind of girls do you like?
I love all types of girls, actually.
Okay. And next, you want to go for a nice contour. So bring out your nose bridge. It actually makes you look skinnier. Ta-da! As you can see, I'll look a little bit skinnier, like I'll look like those cute, pretty Japanese girls with my nice contour. After that, you want to put. I have to say, this is my favorite part of makeup. You want to have nice, full, sexy lips, so it makes you look kissable for the guy. And what I like to do is I like to put on really, really nice, bright, dark lipstick. There you go.
Hello? Mary is right here.
Wait, who's calling me?
Cindy?
No! It's your makeup tutorial. You ain't called. But anyways, this is a nice. Tony, you have a mole on your face.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Ah! Ah!